Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a high-resolution photo and an AI model that supports image inpainting. This gives the detail you need. Once done, draw a precise mask around only the shirt, keeping the neckline and sleeves intact so the model knows what to replace. Then set a conservative prompt describing fabric, color, pattern, and fit. You should run a first low-strength pass to preserve skin and background. This initial pass establishes the shirt shape without overpainting adjacent areas. Now refine the shirt's fabric and fit by lowering denoising to about 0.30. So the AI respects original texture and lighting. You should iterate prompts, specify cotton, silk, denim, mention light source and expected shadow behavior so folds and seams look natural. Once you have a candidate, composite it as a separate layer and match color balance and grain with local correction tools. Make sure to check sleeve alignment and collar geometry. Small misalignments break realism and need micro-edits. Finish by cleaning edges and fixing artifacts. You should use healing and cloning tools to remove haloing and to blend skin near the collar. Once done, apply a subtle global color grade and sharpen the mask edges slightly to match original image clarity. If the AI output still looks off, rerun with a reference image or reduce automation and perform manual paint passes. This hybrid approach often fixes proportion, lighting, or texture mismatches quickly. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If seams look wrong, lower strength and re-inpaint with explicit seam descriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.